In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a company overview in Prezi. Prezi is a dynamic and visually engaging platform that's perfect for presenting information in a compelling way. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Prezi account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're ready to go, just open up a new presentation. Prezi gives you the option to start from a variety of templates or from a blank canvas. For a professional touch, I recommend selecting a business-oriented template that suits the tone and style of your company. However, if you're feeling creative and want more control over the design, starting with a blank canvas is always an option. Once you've selected your template or set up your blank canvas, it's time to add the main topic of your presentation. This will usually be your company name, and you might want to include your tagline as well. Make sure this is clear and stands out, as this is the first impression your audience will get of your company. Next, you'll want to create subtopics that showcase the key aspects of your company. Think about what makes your company unique. Perhaps it's your mission or vision that drives your business forward, or maybe it's your outstanding products and services. Don't forget to highlight any key achievements, as these emphasize your company's success and growth. Visual elements are a crucial part of making your presentation engaging, so be sure to insert relevant images, logos, charts, and team photos. These elements help to bring your company's story to life, making it more relatable and captivating for your audience. Prezi's standout feature is its zoom paths, which allow you to guide your viewers seamlessly through each section of your company overview. You can create a journey through different sections of content that feels natural and engaging, keeping your audience focused and intrigued as they follow along. To ensure your presentation aligns with your company's branding, adjust the colors, fonts, and layout. These details help reinforce your brand identity and can make your presentation look polished and cohesive. Pay attention to these small adjustments. They can have a big impact on the overall perception of your presentation. And there you have it. That's how you design a company overview in Prezi. With these steps, you'll be able to craft a presentation that's not only informative, but also visually stunning and memorable. Just remember to keep your audience in mind and tailor your content to them for the best impact. Happy presenting!